So once you log into your ads manager, this is what you go to see, the dashboard. Here you will see today's spends. Here the number of campaigns that are enabled and paused, the ad groups and the ads. This is your trend chart, this is your time zone, and what time you want to select for your for the data to be shown. So let's say if you select yesterday, it will change to yesterday. If you want to do today, last 30 days, or the custom, whatever custom that you want, that's what will show here. Once you scroll down, you will see the all the campaigns that you have here. Here you can see the cost, impression and clicks. If you want to change them, you can go to custom columns and select whatever you want to see. So if I want to see the CPA, the conversions and CVR, I can select, sorry, you can only select 3. So this is what comes over here. Here you will see the gender of people and their cost and whatever data that you want to see. So for example, if I want to see how many males and how many females have performed a click, I select on click. So you will know how many males and how many females have clicked on my ad. Similarly, these are placements. Placements means on which platform has the ad been shown, which is Halo, Vigo, TikTok, etc. Here the operating system. Operating system, you can see your iPhone, Android, web, iPad. This is the day parting. By day parting, it means at what day of the month and what time of the day. So here you can understand that at what time do your users actually engage with you. So it depends on what you want to see. So for example, if I want to see conversions, which means that and my ad is running on a conversion objective where I want to see purchases. So once I select conversions and I select the time here, that how much I want to see, I will know that what is the time of the day most conversions are happening. So accordingly, I can even set it during my campaign. So this is where you will actually learn more about your users. This is the dashboard here, and so campaign and library will be going through in depth later on. That's a vast topic. There is an option that you see here which is called reporting. When you go on reporting, you can select what report do you want. So let's say I name my report as test report. This is where you can select what do you want to export. So I want to know what is my campaign name, what was my objective, what is my ad group name, maybe what was my ad, and I want to see where was it placed, or where was it placed, and actually let's see gender. And then what do I want to see on them? So what are the matrix that I'm seeing? Okay, I want to see the total cost. I want to see the cost per click. I want to see CTR. CTR is the percentage of times people saw your ad and performed a click. Then you want to CVR. CVR is the percentage of results that you achieved on all your ads, etc. And I can click save, test report, and run and export. So what will happen is I'll get a report. You can even schedule it. You saw the option of scheduling. When you schedule it, the reports will be automatically generated, and they will be emailed to you, or it will come over here. So that's reporting. The icon that you see here is the help center and the advertising support. In the help center, you will be able to see, you will be able to get help about the entire platform. If there are any issues, you can even contact support, advertiser support. Then these are the notifications. Here you'll be able to see any notifications that you have on your ads manager. and let's get into settings. So once you are in setting, this will have your account name, basic information, account type. So then your business information, I'm going to be hiding all the sensitive stuff here. Your contact, your tax information, what is your PAN, TAN, GST number can be inserted here. So you can edit and put all your details here. You need to select on edit. Your payment method, right now TikTok only accepts prepaid payment method, so you need to recharge your account and then the ads will be delivered. They are working on a postpaid as well, but so far it's only prepaid. So this is where you can see, when you go on payment, you'll be able to see your account balance and you can add balance here. Then you will see brand safety. So brand safety is when you want your ads to be not shown to particular app. So it's not only about showing in TikTok, but this is only applicable, I must say, to people who want to whose objective is app install. So if your objective of your campaign is going to be app install, which means that when your ad is shown, it takes you to it asks your customer to install your app. This is where this will help you. So it will not show your ads in certain type of ads. So you can add, and you can add the app ID over here. So once you add your ad IDs, your ad will not shown to these apps.